The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. Don't let ED affect your love life. Andrew with Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us about a new treatment that's pretty painless and not time-consuming. Andrew, thanks so much for coming in.
Hello, thanks for having me.
So let's talk about this new treatment and how it differs from past ED treatment.
Well, for 30 years, since 1992, it's been pills, pills, pills. That, unfortunately, is also headaches, headaches. We use a technology called wave therapy, so it's not a chemical. It delivers pressure waves. You'll see there on your screen. The pressure waves repair and open up the dying blood vessels. That's one of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction. So we improve blood flow, improve circulation. We can get rid of the ED now, no pills and no side effects.
So at the very beginning, we talked about this being pretty quick and pretty painless. Talk to us about that.
Well, you're right. There's no pain. There's no discomfort. It sounds like it will be horrible. It's not, guys. A 10-minute session placed on the skin. It kind of looks like an ultrasound machine. You walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal, so no recovery time, no downtime.
So how long does this treatment last? Is ED going to come back?
Well, it has been described in clinical data as a long-lasting solution. A man's health could change and things could change down the road, but when you compare this to the pill, you're taking it every single time for the rest of your life. This is a few sessions. There's an end date, thank goodness, and then it's a long-lasting result. So you shouldn't need more than a few treatments.
So what if someone is thinking to themselves, well, my ED will just go away?
Yeah,
Is that going to happen?
Yeah. Typically, no. In fact, I have never heard of erectile dysfunction resolving itself. I compare it to maybe eyesight. Once it starts to go, it heads down that direction. Now, we can fix it quickly. If you think about it, 2 weeks from now, you're done with these treatments. What would your relationship, what would your life look like if you didn't have to reach for those pills?
Really? And I mean, not to be dramatic, but it could be life-changing.
I think it is. I think that when things go well in the bedroom, they go well outside the bedroom, so it does affect life, happiness, confidence. We tend to get along with our spouses or partners better as well.
So what would you say to someone who is really embarrassed about going into the clinic? What is your staff like?
Well, the staff is male. That helps. It helps our patients. It helps their significant others. It's a discreet and confidential environment. But really, what is kind of embarrassing about ED is the trip to the pharmacy, taking the pill and then dealing with the side effects. So we think we're eliminating all of the negative out of the equation. So when the timing is right, the blood flows naturally.
There you go. So what would you say to a partner who is trying to get their partner better?
Well, yes, this is a good question. So a lot of partners and spouses are struggling. They're not the ones with ED. Start the conversation with a positive, which is, honey, I'd like to get you off the pill. Be intimate more often. I think that's a compliment to the relationship.
There you go. And you guys have a special going on right now. Talk to us about that before we wrap up.
Call us now. Exam, assessment, and ultrasound is free. And this very popular gift that produces powerful results in the bedroom, all no charge.
There you go, Andrew. Thanks so much for coming in. We've loved having you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.